humanitarian action begins with project creation. Project leads are required to create for the projects before any reporting can begin. To do this, go to your country database. First, have two partners and projects, and then open 2.2 projects. To create new project, click Add and complete the form. Enter the required fields, including the project name, and as you see, if it's multiple languages, you need to specify the English definition of your project in addition to the local languages. Then select the lead organization. I'll just select, for example, this Great Hope Foundation GHF. Then select the plan. And here it's very important to note that if the project is on plan, then select plan, which in this case is going to fill out the entity is Somalia Humanitarian Needs and Response Plan, and followed by the year, which is 26. If, however, the project is off plan, then select the operation, which then it fill in the entity that is the country followed by the year. If we scroll down, you need to fill out the project start date and project end date. Each data will be default to the beginning of the year and end of the year. So, which indicate that the data that will be covered for such as targets, budget, should follow the start and end date. If the project, however, is span over multiple years, please put the end date the end of the year. After that, fill out the coordination entity. For example, project can be can be a multi-sector or can be a single sector project. For example, if it's a one sector, I select one like I did here for nutrition. Or if it's a multi-sector project, then can select another cluster as you see here. Some fields are optional, but still very important to fill. For example, the implementing partners field should list all partners working under the same project so they can report against it. The donors fields can also be completed to give donor focal points read-only access. Please remember, as mentioned earlier, only one organization should and can register a project. However, implementing partners, who can be multiple, should then report under these created projects. Once the project is created, project leads should share the projects list with their implementing partners. From their implementing partners, then click on a small black arrow to access the partner reporting window for the project. The main reporting form is called Data Indicator Monitoring Disaggregation. Because this project form is the main entry for reporting, 5.1a Project Indicator Monitoring Disaggregation, it's a good idea to bookmark it in your browser for future reporting.